the Elegoo Tumbller Self-balancing robot. Great quality kit. I'm already getting ideas. The Elegoo Tumbler. Give them an arm. The wooden version of the Me arm is very light. And if I attached him, I'd take him off the base and attach it to the acrylic plate on the top. Or remove that base plate and give him two arms, one on the other side. Then it'll look like he's been lifting weights in the gym. The tumbler and helps to go to the right hand side. And he does it pretty good. Okay, let's give him a balance test. Okay. He's pretty good at that. He has several light modes. This looks to be like fade. Here he's flashing. I'll do one more in-depth review. I get a second camera so I can use my phone and use the app. And be making videos of when I expand him and what I do with him. Here are the expansion opportunities. Thanks for watching.